Hi there, I'm Daniel. I'm with Skip Stewart Air Shows. Do a lot of maintenance on this plane and also handle all of his media and camera work. You know, just put a custom GoPro mount on the plane that's for the 360 camera, so get some cool shots over the water. And then we got Michael right here. He's our crew chief. So what's up, Michael?
What's up, y'all?
He's just swapping over our fuel tank into a smoke tank. So it's normally a fuel tank, so we can fly a longer distance to be able to cross the water.
I've been flying aerobatics and air shows and Red Bull Air Race for a long time, you know. I know I look 26, but I'm not. So I started doing that when I was about 21, flying aerobatics, and doing it all this time. Wow. It's great to be here. We're super excited to be in Grand Caymans, and thanks for having us. We're looking forward to a great show. Come on out and watch the show.
Alrighty.
See you.
We are the professional skydiving team, and for the show we are going to be jumping out of that C-47, that green airplane right there. And the first show we're going to be landing over on the beach, and for the second show we're landing here at the airport. So very much looking forward to putting on a great performance.
Oh, hi, my name is Carrie Lewis Dalton, but everyone calls me Lou, and I am one of a couple female jumpers on Team Fast Tracks. We're going to be jumping tomorrow, hopefully, if the weather cooperates, with fireworks off our legs and flags and all kinds of fun stuff.
mills.
Y'all know who I am.
Ya, dos. No les quema. We gotta call that quema.
La. Uno we poison. Uno we